Understanding grounding versus bonding. Grounding involves establishing an electrical connection between a conductive surface and the earth to provide a low resistance path for electrical current. Bonding is connecting two or more electrically conductive surfaces together to equalize their electrical potential. Regarding bonding requirements for above-ground pools, the National Electrical Code requires above-ground pools to be bonded to the electrical equipment powering the pool, for example, the pump or filter, to ensure that all metal components are at the same electrical potential. This bonding serves two purposes: firstly, safety, and secondly, corrosion protection. Safety prevents electrical shocks by providing a low resistance path for fault currents to flow back to the source. Corrosion protection equalizes electrical potential between different metal components, reducing the risk of galvanic corrosion. The National Electrical Code requirements. Section 680.26. B.1 states above-ground pools shall be bonded to the electrical system by a bare or insulated copper conductor not smaller than number 8 American wire gauge. Section 250.50. A2 states bonding shall be accomplished by one or more of the following methods: firstly, bolting, welding, or other approved means, and secondly, use of bonding devices listed in section 250.110. The inspector's concern likely stems from the belief that the bond wire should be in direct contact with the ground to provide a path for electrical current to flow to the earth. However, this is not required for above-ground pools, as the purpose of bonding is to equalize electrical potential, not to provide a grounding path. Possible solutions: firstly, connect the number 8 American wire gauge bonding conductor to a listed bonding lug on the pool frame. Secondly, connect the number 8 American wire gauge bonding conductor to a solid copper conductor connected to a pool equipment grounding terminal block. Thirdly, install a ground rod and connect it to the number 8 American wire gauge bonding conductor, noting this is not always necessary, but may be required in some areas. In conclusion, the inspector may have misunderstood the purpose of bonding and the accepted methods for bonding above-ground pools. By explaining the National Electrical Code requirements and offering plausible solutions, you can help resolve the issue and ensure that your pool is properly bonded for safety and corrosion protection.